Fuck, dude. Wait. Dude, you got... Fuck, man.
Hurry.
Give me your hand, dude.
Ready?
Yeah.
Got it?
Are you alright?
Cause I made my choice and my decision stands firm. They gon' hear my voice. I'm resistant to the critic of the Bible. It's swelled on some murder dog sauce and a double XL. Take it further, I'm a rolling stone. And when I kick the door open, they gon' know I'm home. If you ever wanna try to ostracize my mind or fantasize my demise, you can watch me ride. I got bitches in the living room getting it on, and they ain't leaving till I tell them go home. Last night I can't remember what the fuck I did, but something tell me about completing my bucket list. Swallowing trunk road, said it forever, pushing and dedicated, making sure the day I die my life forever celebrated. Delegated to rewriting, be legislated, believing we gon' rise till we make it.
Watch me ride.
Too quick, got a clue where I'm going.
Too slick, hit the cruise and I'm rolling.
Who's in together, the game's open. Together on the ride,
We should have a touch me.
too quick, not a clue where I'm going.
Too slick, hit the cruise and I'm rolling.
Who's in together, the game's open. Together on the ride,
We should have a toast.
Come on.
I went from sleeping on the floor to a dirty couch. Mighty Mouse, smack a nigga face with a wild mouth. Drinking Henny from the spout, just the right amount. Make you Ralph, make you black out quick, running somebody's house. Magnificent with the spit, I'm ridiculous. Got midgets with machetes, I'm ready, run up a cinch of wrist. I forgot to mention this, I go harder than all you pencil dicks. I grab on my nuts and tell them to take a pic. I went from chilling by the Golden Gate, holding weight, open lake to West Virginia Ninja where they open hate. I used to hope and pray when they got ball like in Oakland A. Now they throw they draws when we hit the stage. And if you lame, then you can't relate. Though I might exaggerate, but I was doing fine, life is going great. I gamble in my own game, Pete Rose, Hall of Fame. First name you say, better watch me ride.
too quick, not a clue where I'm going.
Too slick, hit the cruise and I'm rolling.
Who's in together, the game's open. Together on the ride,
We should have a
watch
touch
me
me.
ride. Too quick, not a clue where I'm going.
Too slick, hit the cruise and I'm rolling.
Who's in together, the game's open. Together on the ride,
We should have a toast.
Come on.
It's Super Bowl, but the flow so villainous. And dread I living by the cold business. I miss the coast and my folks need visitors. Always on the road.
but we never get to take a trip.
Such a menace.
We finish each other's sentences. We grow tighter, the tighter tension gets. Watch them grimace, the haters trying to diminish. It's a 301 W, island of the Dominicans.
Where we going?
Anywhere we go, we get it in.
Baptize the flow. Welcome to the christening.
A million down.
A zillion miles ahead of me.
Would've never made it had I listened what they said to me.
Black Santa bringing gifts down the chimney. You can hear the crickets when they kick it, call them chimney.
Wally Flu, barbecue, keep grilling, humble hoodlum, and we out refilling. You get it, right? Refill it. Play that track back.